Install remanufactured engines and gearboxes. The decoration of the interior and exterior of the cab can improve driving comfort, operating convenience, and visual experience. Clear and orderly circuit decoration can ensure stable and efficient supply of electricity, so that various electrical components such as lights, instruments, and electronic equipment can operate normally. The reasonable decoration of the truck air circuit can ensure stable and reliable transmission of air pressure, optimize the working performance of various pneumatic components such as brakes, clutches, and air horns, etc. So far, we have completed the remanufacturing of the tractor.